how to fix featured collection not appearing on Shopify. So if you've added a featured collection section to your Shopify homepage, but it's completely blank or missing entirely, it usually comes down to 3 quick fixes: unlinked collections in your theme, unassigned sales channels, or empty collection conditions. Okay, step 1. Let's verify that your theme section is actually pointed to a live collection. So from your admin panel, go to Online Store and then Themes, and use your active theme, and next to it click Edit. So on the left sidebar, scroll down through your homepage layout and click on Featured Collection. Okay, and look at the settings panel on the right. Close the, what is this? It doesn't even show, whatever. Close that and Sidekick, sorry, close the Sidekick, and you'll see this panel. Then under collection, if it says select collection or shows a broken link, you can just click change and then choose select collection. So in my case, as you can see, collection is chosen and it's products. And when you choose your collection, obviously just press save on the bottom right, on the top right. Okay, now if the collection is selected in your theme but still displays 0 products, let's check your product availability and collection conditions. So exit out, go to your products and then collections, and open the collection you want to feature. First, check that your collection isn't empty. If it uses automated conditions, make sure your products actually match those rules. Next, click on the products inside. Scroll to sales channels and ensure that online store is ticked. If your product is set to draft or hidden from online store channel, Shopify automatically hides the entire collection from your homepage layout. And lastly, what if your products are active but the section still refuses to load on screen? So check your stock levels. Go to Inventory, Products Inventory. If all items inside the collection have 0 inventory, some modern Shopify themes automatically hide empty sections. So just check these out and apply these fixes. Enjoy, guys.